Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Venmo for tenant reimbursements policies, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Venmo for tenant reimbursement policies, start by downloading the Venmo app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. You will be greeted with an option to sign up using your email address or phone number. Choose the method you prefer to start creating your account. If you select email, enter your email address and tap Sign Up. If you choose phone number, enter your number and tap Send Code. You will receive a verification code via email or SMS depending on your choice. Enter the verification code in the app to proceed. Next, you will be prompted to create a secure password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. After creating a password, tap Next to continue. Now, the app will ask for your first and last name for your account. Enter your full name and tap Next. You will also need to provide your date of birth to confirm your identity. Enter your date of birth and tap Next. The app will now ask for your payment method. You can link a bank account or a debit/credit card for future transactions. Follow the instructions to securely link your chosen payment method. Once linked, you may need to verify your bank account through small temporary deposits. After verification is complete, your Venmo account is ready to use. To set up for tenant reimbursements, start by creating a note describing each reimbursement request. You can add details like the amount and reason for the reimbursement. To request a reimbursement, tap the Pay or Request button. In the recipient field, enter your tenant's Venmo username or phone number. Enter the amount you are requesting and add the note you previously created. Review the details and then tap Request. Your tenant will receive a notification for the reimbursement request. Once your tenant accepts the request, the funds will be transferred to your Venmo account. Remember to check your Venmo balance to ensure all transactions have been processed. For any issues or inquiries, refer to the Venmo Help Center for assistance. That's all you need to do to register with Venmo for tenant reimbursements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.